Hiya, thanks for all the nice comments on my last video. I'm not dead. I'll get back to the window seat and the patio doors in a little bit. Too many files to think about at the moment. But I'm going to take this oak capping off, unbox it all, put a cottage loaf handrail on and put all the spindles back in. We're going to make it look a little bit like that. Spindles don't match exactly. But what I need to do is extend these. I could cut them off, put full length on. But then that's weak. Stronger if you put a bit at the top. You have a mark at the top, it's stronger. First thing I need to do is just give these a sand, clean them up. Right, everything inside is sanded off. I've sanded roughly on the outside just to get rid of any knobbles. Like I say, I'm going to add a piece to the top. Probably look better if you cut it off at the bottom, but there's a lot of leverage on that joint than on that joint. I'm going to half lap it, like that. Maybe the other way. But I need to cut this square first. When I'm cutting, it's very hard to control the tip of the saw. Once you start cutting, you have to concentrate on where it's cutting. So what I'll do is start cutting, and I'll cut the line, but then that point won't really move. I'll move the saw in like that, if you know what I mean. You'll see. I'm thinking about that point there. That point there. Alright, now that point won't move much. I'll concentrate on this and work across here, but that'll still be there. You see I've hardly cut into that. So now I'll follow that line around. I'll bring the saw round like that and then do the same down there. I'm going to cut across there, and I might come round the other side and cut back this way. can hardly feel that. I've got them two to do. Might leave that one, it's square. I've got this one to do. That was not too bad, so we'll see about that one. I'll do the same on this one. Right, I'm going to make this cut by hand because I can make that quite neat. And then I meant to bring my whip saw, but I've only got my track saw, so I'm going to make lots of cuts and try and set it to that depth. Big knot there. Grain goes the other way there, so you can see my chisel starting to dig in a bit there, so I need to go up. That's not bad. I'll cut the half lap piece and refine it if I need to. Be right. I'll do them too. Got some pieces to go on the top now. This is still set from when I did the stairs. That, if it's not centre, that is the piece that's going to go in, so I need to keep that piece. But what I'm going to do, set my depth, and I'm just going to cut a little bit on the end and offer it up, see what it looks like. I just offered that up. I left the line in, but I need to take that out. I need to lose the line pretty much. Alright, I'll go try it again. That's good, I can go ahead with that. I'm just going to clean up this edge first. So I've got my depth now, my length. I'm going to square that over. Make a cut to that line. Just check that my saw's cutting square. Right, very neat cut. I can almost see my pencil line in there. I'll go try this. Right, my cut's very slightly out at this end. It's quite good across there. And that. It's pretty straight. It's not plumb, but it's pretty straight. So what I'm going to do, is just cut this one out square. Like that. Right, so like I say, I'm going to cut this one out square because it's easier just to trim this off rather than trying to sort out the top of that post. But then this will be too long, so all I need to do is just trim a bit off there, straight. That was a good clean cut. So if I put a straight line on there, and I'm just going to put my fingers behind. So I'll go try that and see how much has to come off this end. So I reckon about that much. That's quite a good parallel. It's a gap, but it's a parallel gap now. I'll take a bit off here. I'll keep cutting and sneak up on it. It's quite a good fit now. A slight gap there. I'll do the others, same. Put a couple of temporary screws in. I can think about fitting the handrail. I made these too tall, so they'll need to be trimmed off. Right, that one's near as damn it perfect on the first cut. That little bit's where I forgot to set the depth after cutting it to length. That's good. That one. Right, I can cut the handrail now.